That's actually white birch that he's currently cutting with our Hudson sawmill. It's a beautiful piece of wood. I'm going to bring it over so you can see it. We purchased the sawmill in 2021 in November of last year, and it was $3,000. That included an extra box of saw blades that we ordered, and there were 12 blades in the box. You can see right now he's measuring where he wants to make his next cut, so approximately 2 inches per board. White birch is beautiful, super easy to cut, but we do cut a lot of hardwoods like ash and oak with this as well. You'll see that pile of scrap that we have over there. We do use everything. We will cut that up and put it into bundles, and we let our grandson sell it at the end of our driveway for the local campground down the road for firewood. We do like $5 a bundle, and he saves that, and it's going to go towards his college fund. But that's it. That's the Hudson sawmill. $3,000. Super easy to use. Sorry for talking in this. I don't like talking in these videos, but my husband thinks I need to talk in them. So enjoy.